All right guys, I bought a 2-pack of ahi tuna at Costco. Got 2 little fillets. The first one I pounded down into my tuna, spicy tuna pizza with ahi crust. So I need to do something with the second piece. I'm gonna throw something down quick. I'm gonna say it's gonna take us 7 minutes. It's gonna be Togarashi tuna with mushrooms and avocado. We're gonna start off with some oil in a hot saute pan, and then a little bit of garlic. We're gonna say this will just be one portion, one hefty portion. I got a bunch of sliced mushrooms here, maybe 2 handfuls, and some salt and pepper. And I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of water. Plenty of moisture will come out of those mushrooms, but it takes a little bit, so we just kind of got to help it get there. We're going to cover that with a lid, come over here and take a look at our tuna. So I've got it on a paper towel. I'm just going to pat the top side dry, like so. And then Togarashi, this is just a Japanese spice mix. Ingredients: chili pepper, orange peel, black sesame seed, white sesame seed, Japanese pepper, ginger, and seaweed. Okay, so pretty clean stuff. It's got a pretty wicked kick to it, so just be careful. Okay, it goes well for crusting things, but it does have some kick, so just be careful. We'll call that's about good. Check on our shrooms here. Good, we got a little bit of color coming in there. Now I'm gonna leave the lid off and let that kind of dry out. While that's going, set this here, I'll peel my avocado. And then what I'm gonna do is kind of go for some thin slices. So I'm gonna take these guys and lay them out on my plate. Get some paper towels ready. Boom. Season side down in the oil. We're just gonna take this guy, doesn't take long, oil back to the center, flip it over, there we go. We're just gonna cut the heat at that point. There's a lot of carryover heat in that pan, so it won't take long to hit this second side. It's probably gonna be medium rare, right? So you could go just each side, serve it rare. It's delicious, just like that. Put it up here, take to the cutting board, boom. And then what I'm thinking I'll do is just 3 little pieces. I'm thinking maybe a little bit of mayo, a little cilantro, and a squeeze of some fresh lemon. Let me grab my mayo. Start off with the squeeze of lemon. Put it on the top. Just like that. That work? Liking it? You loving it? There we go. Boom. Timer? Where's the timer? All right guys, there it is. Quick little paleo creation. Another way to make tuna. Don't be afraid to buy that pack of tuna at Costco, all right? There's usually 2 pieces in there. This is one way to do it, and we'll keep posting other preparations. So get out there, give it a try. I'm Paleo Nick. I'm your guy. Doing what I can to help you keep it paleo.